Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening, I'm glad you're here. Today we've got an unboxing, kind of a surprise unboxing. I think I know where it's from, and it's just something that I think is really cool. I definitely wanted to share it with you guys. We'll do an unboxing. First off, I wanted to do a quick shout out and thank you to the channel members, and a quick shout out and thank you to anybody that's watching the content. I really appreciate it. If you like the content and you'd like to see more of it, if you would, it would really help the channel if you hit that subscribe button and the bell notification icon. I would really appreciate it. So I am going to use my Amazon flipping titanium unboxing knife to try to get into this, and we'll talk about it as I get into it. I think this is from a knife maker who I met, I want to say 2 years ago, right when I first got into the hobby. Brother Lefty EDC sent me a knife to check out that Paulus at Baltic Blades had sent him, and Lefty sent it on to me, and I still have that knife, love that knife, and have kind of been in contact with Paulus, who's over in Lithuania, who makes these in his house or his garage, his shop, whatever you want to really call it there, but definitely a craftsman. I follow him on Instagram. Again, always watch what he's doing because I think it's really, really cool. So the knife that Lefty sent me was this little guy. This is the Baltic Blades Angis, or Angis. It's a little S35 scalpel, full tang, and paracord little light EDC fixie. It's one of the first EDC fixies I actually got when I got into it. Super thin, super light, super slicey. So Paulus has been doing a lot more than just the little Angis, right? He does kitchen knives, he does larger knives. He is an absolute artisan. One of his stickers, and then what we have here, and I am super stoked, and thank you, Paulus, for sending me this. This is the Angis and N690 60 HRC with the paracord handle, born on 11/15. That's his card and the certificate of authenticity. And this is the Angis V2. Really, really cool packaging. Guys, these are very, very affordable knives. So what we have here, and I've got already on the way from Amazon a small ulti clip and a couple of straps, because I'm not exactly sure how I'm going to carry this yet. But look at that little chunk of N690. And I'll show you some of the ways and where this knife has changed. And again, when I do a review, a full review, I'll talk about, you know, what I think about it, how it carries for an EDC knife. Guys, holy shit. I know it doesn't go across the camera, and I know y'all have seen me therapeutically cut before, but guys, this is an absolute laser beam. Wow. Hand sharpened. Very, very nice. Guys, this is again an unboxing where I wanted to share with you a really cool knife, and it was sent to me by Baltic Blades, by Paulus over in Lithuania. I am trying to get him to join me for a Friday Night Flicks because he's such a neat guy, and he makes some super neat stuff. I will leave a link in the description of this unboxing to his website, but also his Instagram. That's where I've kind of been keeping up with his progress of this knife. I don't know if you can see the refinement differences in the version 1 and the version 2, but we'll talk about them in the review. I can tell you, I can feel a difference in the heft and the sharpness. The jimpings were very welcome. The sheath is much more deep and retentive. It's just the bomb. I mean, for a small light EDC knife, I'm gonna love it. I can't wait to share it with you guys. I did want to unbox it. I know these are on his site. I know there are 3 in stock, and he makes them, you know, constantly as they order. I want to say they were right around $100. It's 99 euros. I don't know what that translates to because I'm an idiot, but very well worth it. This one and the Angis, when you could find them up till not too long ago, they were 99 bucks. I want to say this one's probably around 100, 115 US, but don't quote me on that. Check the website. Wow. I mean, guys, this is hair shaving sharp. Not that I want to cut myself, but yeah, I mean, that's impressive. Well, guys, I hope everybody has a fantastic Thanksgiving. I hope you all have safe travels if you're traveling. I look forward to seeing you all Friday night for Friday Night Flicks. I look forward to putting this in my pocket. Hopefully my Amazon clip, I don't think it'll come till Friday. Maybe I'll strap it up before then. But either way, guys, I love you all. I appreciate you. Baltic Blades, I will leave Paulus's link in the description of this video, and I'll upload it this afternoon. What I do is I try to always unload unboxings when I get them. If I get multiple unboxings in a day, because I order knives like crazy, I might spread them out a couple of days, but I try to throw them up when they come up. So that's another advantage of subscribing to the channel. If you like watching unboxings, is you'll be notified. Guys, thank you so much. I appreciate each and every one of you. Like always, I ask that you please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Look out for each other. Go forward with love in your heart. Choose debate, not hate. I love you all. Peace.